Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to make a presentation within 10 minutes. These are the method to make a presentation in only 10 minutes. For that you have to use the chat GPT, and you can use this chat GPT for your content. In chat GPT you can ask, suppose I want, please, we are giving, please please give history about, please give slides about scalars and vectors, of class 11. Right? After that, give the command and we will get the slides of scalars and vectors of class 11. Right? That's of of class 11, and we will get the vectors and scalars of slide. In this way, you can make the slides with the help of scalars and vector. You see, these are the various slides of class 11. Right? After that, you have to make it a please please make make a PDF, right? After that, you have to make this as PDF and go there, right? And you can change here that this is analyzing, and this will make a PDF for you within a few seconds, right? Or within few minutes. This is analyzing, and you'll find that the ChatGPT will give you the PDF of these scalars and vectors. After that, we'll go to another thing. Copy ready format, yes, you can change it into copy ready format also. Why, yes, and now this will give it in a PDF form, right? These are the PDF, right, for any PDF form. And what you can do, we can uh, copy this one, right? We have copied this one, and now we'll go to another section, and that is what we call it as Gamma AI. This is our Gamma AI. This Gamma AI is an site which can make a PPT for you, right? You see here, for that you have to go here, and Gamma AI is very useful for us to transform into various slides, right? From this, there are the two things: from prompts you can make, or from import documents. We'll learn about from import documents, right? From import documents you can do it, right? This is the drag and drop files or click to upload. First of all, we have to sign it up. After that, we'll do the various things, right? We continue, and you'll find that we go to this Gamma AI, and after that, Gamma AI can make a slide for you, right? Now, what is that is choosing the import document and paste here. Import document. You can import this document here, right? You have copied this one, or you can paste here also. paste. We pasted the different slides here, and if you want to generate this one, we can generate this also, right? After that, we go to generate, and gamma AI will generate a PDF for you, a slides for you. You see there are various slides. Which plan you would like to offer? For that, there are various plan here, right? But now we are not going to here. We are we are not upgrading now. That's why we close it, right? And the next one is generate. We're using this free site, or you can make it from prompt also. From prompt you can make, that is make slides on make slides on scalars and vectors, scalars and make slides on scalars and vectors of class 11 of class 11, right? After that, go there and you will get this as recommended, right? Select a template to start creating PPT. You can select any of your topics as you like, right? Here there are various PPT or various template you can use. Suppose we are using this one. Let us see how it goes, right? And after that you have to generate PPT, and this will make a PPT for you, right? You see, these are the various PPTs we'll find here, and right now this is ending, and now we'll generate the PPT here. Go to generate PPT, and this gamma AI will generate PPT for you. In this way, we make different types of PPTs, right? And you can not only that, you can also download the PPTs and teach also according to your need. And today I am going to show you how we are going to teach this one, and we are going to analyze. And this is the PPT review. You can see here, these are the various PPTs gamma AI is making for you, right? And then you can download. Your presentation is ready. You can download or edit or share also. Now we are downloading the PPT. Download PPT. You can download the PPT, but it is an upgrade for members only. Then we are not downloading. We can see the various PPT here also. You see, this is the PPT we can find here. Your presentation is ready. Now you can see all these presentation here, and you can make the PPT of all these things, right? This one you can see, this one, that is, here you can put your logo here. Understanding scalars and vectors in class 11 physics. Here is where presentation begins, right? And this one is the various types of contents you can find here, that the introduction to scalars and vectors and mathematical representation. And number 3 you can find here, that is your logo should be here. Number 1, introduction to scalars and vectors. And number 4 you can find here the definition and characteristics scalars, and this is vectors. Scalars is here. The scalars are quantities described by magnitude only and with no direction. Common examples include temperature, mass, and time, which are fundamental in various scientific calculation. And vectors, definitions and examples. Vectors are quantities defined by both a magnitude and direction. Examples include displacement, velocity, and force, which are essential for understanding physical phenomena like motion. You can see another importance in physics, that is role of scalars in measurement, a role of vectors in motion and forces. Scalars provide a straightforward way to quantity physical properties, making them crucial for measurement in experiments such as measuring temperature changes in a substance. Role of vectors in motion and forces. Vectors are vital for analyzing motion and forces, allowing for accurate predictions of an object's behavior in response to various influences such as gravity or friction. And the next one is this one, that is mathematical representation. You can find your logo here, and this is number 6, this is number 7. Vector operations, there are two part. One is addition and subtraction, and number 2 is base color and vector multiplication. Vector addition and subtraction involves combining two or more vectors to determine a resulting vector. It is a fundamental in understanding motions and forces in multiple dimensions. Scalars and vector multiplication. Scalar multiplication alters the magnitude of a vector without changing its direction, while vector multiplication can produce another vector or a scalar, expanding applications in physics and engineering. Right? And the next one is what we call it as applications in real life. Examples in everyday life. Vector concepts are visible in everyday scenarios such as navigation, where direction and distance contribute to resultant paths, or in sports, where forces are applied to trajectories. Used in advanced physics concept. In advanced physics, vectors are essential in fields like mechanics and electromagnetism, allowing scientists to describe complex phenomena such as motion and fields through precise vector representation. And last and not the least is thank you for it, and there's the logo here. In this way, we can make various presentation, right? And you can edit this PPT also according to your need, right? You can see these are the various. You can select the canvas, click and select elements in the canvas area for drag and drop, resizing, deletion, copy, and other actions. Also, you can make these changes also, right? Edit outline, click and select elements in the canvas area for drag and drops, resizing, deletion, copy, and other actions you can do also this way. And replace template also. Filter massive templates by style and color with one click replacement of PPT templates. You can replace this also. And insert element also. Add text, images, shapes, materials, tables, and charts to the canvas also. And next one is page management also. Add new pages, switch between pages, copy and delete pages, and toggle view with clicks. And the next one is element editing. You can do also. Edit the selected elements such as adjusting font type and size and unifying backgrounds on one click, right? And online presentation, launch full screen PPT presentation to review effects, press escape to exit. These are the various things you can do with all this. Export and download also, multiple formats supported including PPT, PDF, JPG, and PNG export, editable formats available. These are the various things you can take, right? And not only that, you can make it fit to screen, and it will be make it to fit to screen also, right? This is the recent canvas, you can see here. This is the grid view, you can see here, right? This is the recent, this is the normal view, you can find here. This is the normal view. In this way, you can make a PPT with the help of Gamma AI, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.